Hey guys, today's video is all about the XPS Dell 13. This laptop is to be known as premium as it could be, and this is the best choice in Windows, and you're going to see a hands-on comparison with my Microsoft Pro 4, I think, yeah, and my MacBook Air. These are the premium laptops I own right now, so we are going to do a thorough check how this holds up and what are the pros and cons of the XPS 13. So stay tuned and make sure you subscribe.
Now let's speak about the specifications. This laptop comes along with a 7th generation of i5 processor along with the Windows 10 Home Plus, a 8GB of DDR3 along with a 256GB of internal SSD, along with UHD graphic from Intel, a 13-inch Full HD display, a backlit keyboard along with the fingerprint scanner. Now it's time to compare this and have a hands-on overview. So the first thing you will able to see is the premiumness when you hold this laptop. The cold aluminum finish is really awesome. They are not trying to copy MacBook, but they are doing their own thing with the same standards. Speaking about the ports, here is the charging port, the USB Type-C, the USB 3.0, a 3.5mm jack, and a battery indicator to show you how much power do you have. This is the speaker grill. On the right hand side you will be able to see the security latch, the USB 3.0 and SD card slot. So let's turn it around. On the back you will be able to see the clean finish grill and nothing much rather than the XPS branding, and they also provided a rubberized grip that is much needed. This laptop feels really sturdy. The polished aluminum and the borders are exceptionally splendid. Now let's get over and open this. Let's get inside the laptop and see what is available. The first thing you will be able to notice when you open the laptop is the sturdiness of this keyboard. Along with that, it has a rubberized feel to it. I can see this premiumness going all over this laptop as a carbon fiber rubberized coated going on. As you can see, the backlit of this keyboard is really well lit and is controlled by the light conditions. On the bottom of the laptop you can see the big trackpad, which is good enough, along with that fingerprint scanner. Now let's move ahead and see the display, which is the most crucial and the gorgeous part of this laptop. As we can see the bezel-less thing going on everywhere. This is not behind. On the left hand side corner you can see the 720p HD webcam, the bezel-less thing going on, and what to tell about the gorgeous display. This is a Full HD display with 400 nits brightness and the gorgeous color correction. You can see a demonstration of my latest video for the new year. Here is a glimpse of what this display is all about. I am playing this on a Full HD settings. Here you can see the dark background, which is well lit, and the gorgeous streets of Mumbai. So I can say that as per the display is going on, this is a winner in all terms. There is anti-glare going on, no reflection at all, and you will love the deep black rich color this laptop gives you. So now let's move on and play one more video and let's see how the sound hold up. You can see a sample of the sound. I'm not so happy with this part. Let me just, okay. You can hear that? No, I can't. Okay, now let's test the internet, how much speed I can get from this laptop, as it says that it has a special killer Wi-Fi antenna which has an AC bandwidth going on, and I can see, yeah, it's giving me good enough speed. I have a 50 Mbps line, so this is good enough for my daily uses. Let's do it again. Let's see if I get more speed. Okay, so yeah, 36 Mbps is good enough for me for my day-to-day browsing. Now the pros and cons of this laptop. If you're thinking about buying this laptop, the pros are the best display ever, the best keyboard ever, the Wi-Fi connect is awesome, and you get a really good build for an ultra portable laptop. Speaking about the cons, there are very few. The first thing is the odd position of the webcam and the sound quality of this laptop. So rest is all a-okay.
My final verdict about this laptop is this is the best worthy laptop and an alternative for the MacBook or the Surface from Microsoft. This laptop gives me a resemble and the sturdiness of an Apple, but along the side it gives me all the functionality of a Windows PC like this Surface Pro. So I can say this is a really good buy if you're having a budget, a premium budget, and you're looking for a sturdy laptop that will serve you for like 3 to 4 years without any compromisation on the quality. This is the laptop on the go. This is the choice which I will suggest. Do comment down below for suggestions if you like, share with your friends, and make sure you subscribe. So see you until next time. Thank you.